So, hey guys, and I'm back with Super Mario Odyssey. And now I think I might know where to get a power moon. That was close. Oh, wait! I think I just saw something. Wait. I'm gonna talk to this toad. Find a power moon. Buy a power moon thing. Oh, wait! Remember the town? Wait, what is this place back here? Well, let's see what's on top of it. Oh, nothing's on top of it quite yet. Wow. Now this... Oop. I'm just gonna abandon it since I didn't want an extra hard up. Ooh. What's in here? Oh, it's a power moon! Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Okay. Is this an ingredient too? We're going back to the Odyssey to see if we can get to another kingdom. Yep, we're getting to a new kingdom. Oh, and by the way, guys, I just made a new clip. I just put my clip of me playing, of me battling Cookateel. Even though that's less than 10 minutes, at least we still have a clip of what's left. So now we're going to Bowser's Kingdom? They stole this stupendous stew from here. Yeah, we know the drill. Since he took the time to steal this stupendous stew, well, I imagine that's what he's serving at the reception. Seeing as how we've got some time to lose, let's review a useful skill. Triple jump. Keep pressing B forward and forward. I know that control. What is that? Uh-oh, there's Bowser. Whoa. It's a dragon. That looks incredibly realistic for a Mario game. Let's see you survive this, plumber boy. Whoa! We got electrocuted! Oh no. That can't be good. Ruined Kingdom, crumbled in. Oh, the Odyssey is all... What? The Odyssey is broken again? Or what are these things? I might not go down there. Oh, we haven't seen one of these in a long time. What are we doing? What's happening? What's happening? Oh my gosh. Ow! We're battling it? Apparently we are. This might be tougher than I thought. Nothing can beat Super Mario. Nobody can beat Super Mario, right? Oh, I think we gotta pull these stakes off. Oh, weak point. His name is the Lord of Lightning, I've heard. We need something. What is this? Oh, we just barely made it. I thought we were gonna get zapped off for a second. Buzz off. Buzz off, dude. Buzz off. Whoa. That was a close call. Oh! Time to finish this off. Whoa! Multi-moon! I was expecting that because that was a hard boss. I mean, that took us maybe even 5 minutes. Wow. Yahoo! Battle with the Lord of Lightning. I knew his name was the Lord of Lightning because he's obviously lightning based. Yeah. I think we have enough power moons. Whoa. Whoa. Now the Odyssey is back and fixed. The Odyssey is repaired. Now on to Bowser's Kingdom. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh, I just barely saw the wings. Oh, let's skip this. Oh, wow. That was certainly something. I'm not going to read this. Ooh. Okay. So, guys, that is going to be all for today. So goodbye.